Operating from their 30,000 square foot factory in Cheshire, SIP Building Systems have since their founding in 2005 become a leading name in the manufacture of insulated panels, a critical sustainable technology.
This company was founded in 2005, just prior to the crash, but we're still here to tell the story. But it's been quite an interesting trip over the last 5 or 6 years. We've developed the product into many different areas, housing, schools. We now employ about 15 people. That's ramped up from about 4 people when we first started the company.
Initially manufacturing for the commercial sector, they have since diversified across a wide variety of high specialised sectors, including military, leisure, cold room and self-build residential markets, all of which demand a highly adaptable and customisable product, the qualities that SBS prides itself on.
We try and keep ahead because we actually listen to what the customers are asking for, and that gives us a good indication of which routes to go down. Some routes we know are basically coming to the end of the track because the insulation value is not good enough for the particular application it's in. So we're developing other products. We're looking at alternative insulations that are going to give you better insulation going forward. But the problem is, with whichever insulation you look at, for every benefit you get a negative. I mean, it might be better insulation, but structurally it's not as good. So we're always looking to have the best possible product that the market needs. And at the moment we believe polyurethane is the best product. There may well be other things being developed at the moment which we don't know about, but I know that the chemical industry are striving to get better and better insulation values, better green credentials, but effectively at this moment the best product is polyurethane, and that's what we use.
Changes in regulations for energy efficiency have led to a surge in demand for high-quality insulation in all sectors, which insulated panels are a proven answer to. SBS provides panels that offer exceptional value to their customers immediately and in the long term, reducing construction times and costs with a made-to-measure product, and then continued savings on heating bills for years to come.
Ultimately, that's where we want to go. We want to develop that sector, but we also want to work closely with larger builders as the building codes change and the builders are going to find it harder to build traditionally. We believe that they'll come to our door and it will open the market up, and that's really starting to happen now. We're getting busier and busier, and it's quite a good story to tell. We've got a client at the moment who's building a hotel in the Shetland Islands because there's a large gas find off the coast of the Shetland Islands, and Total Oil haven't got enough accommodation for the men. So they're building a 100-room hotel, and they're going to build it within 6 months using SIPs. That couldn't have been done any other way.
Offering the solution to increasing energy bills, one of the biggest concerns of the modern age, with a degree of flexibility that can meet the challenges of even the most demanding construction project, is what marks out SBS as the best provider of insulated panels for any application.
We do believe we've got an important part to play in the future of the UK as a whole, because we're a net importer almost of energy at the moment, and it's only going to get worse. So we think that the product that we're making, because it's very, very highly insulated and uses very little energy, a typical house, for instance, is a general 2-bed, 3-bed, semi-detached house, typically £2 a week to heat it. At the moment, it's a lot more than that. So generally speaking, we believe that the UK needs this type of construction to save our demand on gas and oil and everything else, bringing highly insulated houses to the market, because overall everyone will benefit, not just the householder, but the country will benefit, because we won't be importing as much energy and wasting money, which at the moment we seem to be wasting a lot of money on houses that are built a long time ago and they're not really helping.